Hi guys, so we are doing day 4 of math, and I think today's going to be a little tricky for all of you guys because we are using our memory and we are going back to about a month or so ago when we were finding the area of certain shapes. Okay, this is a review. I want to see what you guys remember. I don't want us to forget these things. So we're finding the area of squares and rectangles. So we know in order to find the area of a rectangle, it's just length times width, okay? And in order to find the area of a square, remember, a square has even sides. Each side is exactly the same. You multiply one side by itself, okay? So for numbers 1 through 6, you guys are going to be finding the missing measurement of each rectangle. I want you to highlight or underline the word rectangle so you know which formula you're using, okay? And I want you guys to look. For instance, for number 1, you're finding the area. For number 2, you're finding the base. Remember, if you are finding one of those sides, you will be using your algebra, okay? And I'm going to be posting some links below on how to find that. If you guys need a little refresher. So for 7 through 12, you're going to be finding area, okay? And for 12 is a little bit tricky. I like this one because it added scatter plots, which is something we've been working on recently. So you find the base and the height. Like for instance, let's do R. It says that the base is 7 and the height is 2. And then you use the base and the height to find the area, okay? So I like that one because it kind of adds in something we've already been working on. And then 15 and 16 are word problems, so let's do those right now. Number 15, Shelly plans to paint a wall in her bedroom. The wall is 11 feet long and 8 feet high. She needs enough paint to cover how much area? Now remember, if you think of a wall in your home, it's usually what shape? A rectangle. So use that formula when doing this word problem. Number 16. In 1993, the Food Bank of Monterey County, California set a record by baking a lasagna with an area of 490 feet. If the lasagna was 70 feet long, how wide was it? So it gives you your A, it gives you your L, your length, and you're trying to find the W, okay? So I want you guys to finish this page. When you're done with this page, it's not done. We're not over. We're doing another page. This one is parallelograms. Parallelograms are base times height, okay? And so for 1 through 9, you're just finding the area. Okay, so I think everybody should have this up here. I've written the formulas on all of your pages. And then they change it up on you. You're going to find the base for some of them, the height for some of them, the area for some of them. And for 16 and 17, you have 2 more word problems, and I'll do a read aloud for you guys right now. So let's start with this one, number 16, okay? A woodworker built a table whose top was inlaid with a parallelogram with a base 8 inches and height 9.5 inches. What was the area of the inlay? So you're using your formula to find area for a parallelogram here. Number 17. An unusual tabletop was the shape of a parallelogram with base 147 centimeters and height 136 centimeters. What is the area of the tabletop? Once again, they gave you your base and your height, and you're finding the area. Same for 16, okay? So I know this is going to be a little tricky, especially this page. I will put some links up to help you guys walk through how to find the length or the width when given the area, because I know that's a little tricky for all of us. So thank you. Have a good day.